Hi, my name is Greg Alexander, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add exclusions and inclusions at advertiser account level. In order to find the appropriate section on the interface from within an advertiser account, we're going to need to click on the Account Settings tab up here. We'll then need to look at the Source Inclusion and Exclusion section within the Account Settings area. Source inclusions and exclusions allow an advertiser to manage the sources of traffic that their adverts appear on. So an exclusion prevents adverts appearing on a particular traffic source. The traffic source itself can be split into a number of sub-sources, or it can be the entire source itself. It really depends on how the publisher has set their system up. To add a new exclusion, you click the New Exclusion button. When the box appears, we'll need to add in the name or publisher number of the publisher that you wish to exclude. So in this instance, I would like to exclude this publisher. In this section down here, you have the opportunity to add a sub-publisher or sub-source from the publisher in question. If the publisher that we're looking at has divided their traffic into a series of sub-sources, then you can add this specific source that you don't wish your adverts to appear on. Alternatively, you can also exclude your adverts from appearing on specific sites. I'm going to choose to exclude our adverts from appearing on this particular site. There's an option down at the bottom to add comments, so for administrative records, you can add a comment in here. Once you're finished, click the Submit button and the exclusion is added. If you don't want to keep this exclusion anymore, all you need to do is click the checkbox and then select the Delete button. An inclusion restricts adverts to appear on only the sources that have been specified. At the moment, there is an inclusion on this account for this publisher. This means that all adverts will only appear for this particular traffic source. If I want to add a new inclusion, I'll click the New Inclusion button, and as before, I'll need to, from this drop-down, select the publisher that I'm interested in adding as an inclusion. So you type the name or number of the publisher in. We'll then select the publisher that we want to add. If there's a particular sub-publisher source or site that you want to add the inclusion for, you can add that in also, as before, along with any comments. When you're finished, just click the Submit button and the inclusion is added. As before, if you want to remove any, you can just select the source that you want to remove and click the Delete button. There's also an option to select the Download as CSV button. This creates a download of all your traffic sources for use administratively if you want to have those on file outside of the platform. This is essentially how inclusions and exclusions work at advertiser account level. If you have any further questions or queries, then please contact us at Morago and we'll be very happy to answer your questions.